from a slow bubbling braise to a thick glossy glaze. This is how you make wings that are tender, sticky, and packed full of flavor. The palm sugar caramelizes for sweetness, while the light and dark soy sauce adds deep, savory richness. Let's start cooking. Here's what we need. Chicken wings, spring onions, sesame oil, sesame seeds. For the spices, we'll need star anise, but we'll need only 2 petals: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. For the chicken wings, separate them into the drums, flats, and tips. You can of course use only drums or only flats. To separate the drums and the flats, cut a small slit at the joint. Take a look at where the 2 bones meet. Then, cut in between these 2 bones. You should be able to cut through these wings very easily. We are going to brown the chicken wings. So, put your chicken wings onto some kitchen towel. Then, dry the top of your chicken wings. Remember, water is the enemy of browning. If there's too much water, the chicken wings will boil instead of brown. Separate the green onions into its white and green parts. For the braising liquid, in some water, add in oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, palm sugar. I prefer using palm sugar because it's not as sharp as regular sugar. But of course, you can use regular sugar instead if you do not have any palm sugar. Grate in ginger, and grate in some garlic. We are going to sear the wings to give it that golden crust before braising. This will give the wings an extra layer of flavor. We want the wings to be as dry as possible because water is the enemy of browning. Use a frying pan that is big enough to fit all your wings. Heat up your pan over a medium-high heat. Put in some oil. And when the oil is hot, arrange your chicken wings neatly in one layer at the bottom of the pan. Fry these wings for about 3 minutes till the bottom turns golden brown. When they are brown, turn them over and fry the other side as well. After about a minute of frying, put in the spices and the white parts of the spring onions. That's the star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. When we are frying the spices, we are actually blooming the spices. And the reason for doing this is that the heat and the fat will activate the essential oils in these dried spices, making these spices more fragrant and more flavorful. Blooming intensifies the aroma of the spices, and it will help the spice aromas distribute themselves evenly throughout the dish. When the chicken wings are brown on the other side, and the spices are bloomed, pour in the braising liquid. Turn up the heat and bring it all to a boil. Then lower it to a simmer. Cover and simmer these wings for about 20 to 30 minutes. Turn the wings over halfway through the simmering process. Also, check to make sure that the liquid has not dried out. After 20 to 30 minutes, if there's still too much liquid in the pan, simmer the wings uncovered till the braising liquid has been reduced to a sticky, glossy glaze. When you have achieved this sticky, glossy glaze stage, roll the wings around to coat them in this glaze. Finish the dish with a squeezer of sesame oil. The green parts of the green onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And that's how you turn simple ingredients into wings that are sticky, tender, and packed with rich, savory flavor. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. And if you love easy, delicious cooking, hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one.